Hello everyone, good day. This is Native Man. In this video, we are going to solve the value of x in this exponential equation 9 raised to square root of x is equal to 3 raised to the x power. So what is the value of x in this exponential equation? Okay, so let's study the given equation. 9 raised to square root of x is equal to 3 raised to the x power. So all you have to do here is study the base of the two sides of the equation. So this is 3, the base is 3, the base is 9 here. So we are going to make the two bases congruent or equal so that we can equate the exponent. So how? 9 can be written in exponential form as 3 raised to the second power. So what is 3 raised to the second power or 3 square? That is equal to 9. And then you're going to multiply the exponent here with the new exponent 2 here. So this become times square root of x. Okay? So it's equal to 3 raised to the x power. So notice here that the bases are equal. So the same 3. Okay? So all you have to do, if the base are equal, you're going to equate the exponent. So the exponent here is 2 square root of x. I'm going to encircle it. 2 square root of x, the exponent. And here is x. So we are going to equate the two exponents. So this will become 2 square root of x is equal to x. Okay, so now we can now solve for the value of x. So to solve for the value of x, we have square root here. To remove this square root, we are going to square. Okay, since we square at the left of this equal sign, we are going to square also the right of equal sign. Okay, so that it make balance the equation. Okay, so simplify 2 square root of x squared. You're going to distribute the exponent. So this is the first number here, 2 square. So what is 2 square? That is equal to 4. And then how to simplify this one? Square root of x, then square. So all you have to do, if you square a square root, you just cancel the square root and then the square. So what is the remaining here? The variable x. Okay, so that will become 4x is equal to x raised to the second power, so x squared. Okay, so I'm going to write it here. Okay, now we are going to solve for x. So the square root is removed already. We're going to transpose 4x to the left side or right side rather. Okay, we are going to transpose here. Okay, so it's become x squared. Then 4x will become minus 4x. Change the sign, that is positive. If you transpose, it will become negative. So that is minus 4x. So what is left here on the left of the equal sign? So there is no value here. So we're going to write 0. Okay? So we have now 0 is equal to x squared minus 4x. So all you have to do here is solve by factoring here. So how to solve factoring, that is quadratic equation. We are going to factor getting the monomial factor of the two terms, x squared minus 4x. So the first term is x squared, the second term is 4x. What is the monomial factor? Okay, so we have common x here. So the common monomial factor is x. And then to get another factor here, we're going to divide the monomial factor to the two terms. So it's become x squared divided by x and 4x divided by x also. Okay? So let's become, what is x squared divided by x? That is x, right? So we're going to write inside the parentheses here. Then minus, okay, so we have 4x divided by x, so we can cancel x here. So the remaining here is 4. So that is minus 4. Okay, so we have now two factors. We have the first factor, x. The second factor is x minus 4. So the first factor, x, equate to 0. Then the second factor, x minus 4, okay, equate also to 0. And if you're going to solve, it will become equal to 4. Or just, if you're going to equate to 0, x minus 4, this will become x minus 4 is equal to 0. So how come that is equal to 4? So transpose negative 4 will become positive 4. So x is equal to 4 here. So there are two values or possible values for x. We have x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. So let's try to check if our answer is correct. Okay, to check, get the original equation. So we have 9 raised to square root of x is equal to 3 raised to x. So the values of x that we calculated is that x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. So we're going to check x is equal to 0. So test if that is correct. X equal to 0. So we just substitute 0 here in our variable x. So that's become 9 raised to square root of x. So square root of 0 is equal to 3 raised to x. So 3 raised to 0. So the variable x here 0. We have the variable x 0. Then simplify. What is square root of 0 here? Square root of 0 is 0. Okay? Is equal to 3 raised to 0. So what is 9 raised to 0? That is equal to 1. And 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1 also. So any number raised to 0 always equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, our answer is correct. How about x is equal to 4? Okay, let's try x is equal to 4. From the original equation, 9 raised to x. So 9 raised to x, our x is 4. So 9 raised to square root of 4 is equal to 3 raised to x. So 3 raised to the fourth power. And then simplify, square root of 4 is 2. So it's become 9 raised to 2 is equal to 3 raised to 4. And what is 9 raised to 2? 9 times 9 is 81. And what is 3 raised to the fourth power? So 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3 is 81. So 81 is equal to 81, then that is correct. So our answer, the values of x are x equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please click like and then subscribe if you are not done yet.